In today's video, let me show you how to send gift message on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app, then select the message icon on the top right and choose the person you want to send the message to. Start composing your message and tap the search icon to the left of the text. At the top, select the gift option, which may require swiping from right to left to find. Once selected, send the gift message to the person. When they receive it, they can tap the gift to view the message you sent. And that's how easy you can send a gift message on Instagram. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.